Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Akshit Pandya and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 367, which is based on valid perfect square. In this problem we have given a number, any number, and we have to return true if the number is perfect square of any number, and if it doesn't, then we will return false. Okay, so for example, we have given the number is 16. It will return output is true because the 16 is the perfect square of 4. Okay, and if we have given the number equals to 14, then we will return false because the 14 is does not contains any perfect square number. So let's move to the code. In this solution, we first create a variable named odd and initialize it with 1 because 1 is the first odd number. Then we'll run while loop as long as num is greater than 0. Inside the loop, we'll subtract the current odd number from the num using the num minus odd, and after that num minus equals to odd, sorry, odd. After that we'll move to the next odd number by increasing odd by 2. So odd equals to odd plus 2. Then after this, since all the odd numbers follow the pattern like 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on, the main idea behind this approach is that the sum of the consecutive numbers odd always forms a perfect square. So if after repeatedly subtracting the odd numbers and the value of the num becomes exactly 0, it means the original number of was a perfect square. Then we will return true. Okay. So at the end, outside the while loop, we return num equals to 0. Let's run this code. You can see here both the keys are accepted correctly. Let's submit this code. Okay, so this is the solution of LeetCode problem number 367. Then this is a very available problem for beginners, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.